Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Anastasia Kiambuzi. If you're not new here, welcome back. So guys, as you can see with the surroundings, home. Nimekuja kuona wazazi for a week, and yeah, that's what's up. So today is on a Sunday. I wanted to try out this Oreo, this Oreo in strawberry flavor. I wanted to try them out with you guys and give a review what I think, because I really hate Oreo, by the way. I hate Oreo. I hate lakini msiniulize mbona nilinunua, but nachukia Oreo. I just wanted to try it out. Naona venye iko so that I can give my review. Nione kama they will try to convince me otherwise. But anyway, yeah, spendy Oreo, spendy dark chocolate. I just love white chocolate, by the way. Chocolate zote. Yeah, so let's try this out because I really love strawberry. Okay. I really love strawberry, so maybe it can convince depending Oreo. Anyway, as you can see, kuna feeling ya strawberry, like huko katikati kuna hiyo cream. So moment of truth, I really hope it doesn't disappoint. I've only tried the normal Oreo, but they have not even tried the Coca-Cola one. I should try it out next. I've only tried the original one, that regular one, yenye inakuanga na cream ya white, sijui nini inakuanga hapo katikati, but I've only tried that one. Let me try this strawberry one, nione kama tani convince. Moment of truth. This is actually nice. It's actually nice. I can have this as a snack. It's actually nice. Kama hujaijaribu hizi za strawberry, I would recommend for someone who doesn't love Oreo or vitu. If you don't love Oreo, kama upendi original, I can recommend this strawberry one. Chocolate nice. Na teremsha na hiyo Del Monte, baby. I bought this Del Monte because I don't remember the last time. I don't actually remember the last time nilikunywa Del Monte. I've been a Minute Maid girly for the longest time. Me the last time nilikunywa Del Monte, so I chose the tropical one. This is tropical. That taste is nostalgic. It's really nostalgic. So I want to try out this with you. But so my review is Oreo. You really tried for people when you're opening the Oreo, so like it's a game changer. Now for the strawberry filling, cream or whatever in between, change the whole thing. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to like do that review with you. It's it's around 3 p.m. I want to have lunch. Then I make chapos. Yeah, so that's the plan. I'm not going to do it on camera. I'm going to do it off camera, but anyway, I just picked up the camera to like do an intro. And this Oreo review. And that was it. Yeah, so like nitakuwa home until Thursday. That's when I'll be going back to my place. Yeah. So that's what's up. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Next. Talk to you guys soon. Anyway, yeah. Hi guys, today is on Wednesday. We're currently going for grocery shopping, yeah, home with my mom. Yeah, so that's what's up. Yeah, it's around 4 p.m 4:30 p.m. Yeah, so we're going for shopping and I'm going to take you along, so yeah.
Can't wait for a single reason not to say goodbye.
So this was later on in the evening, so we were making dinner. So we had mukimo and chicken, so I was just preparing the ingredients that were needed, and that's all that I recorded for the rest of the day. And yeah,
just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out.
so basically for the chicken I used bell peppers, I used tomatoes, garlic na vitunguu, and I also used black pepper, ginger and tomato paste, and that was all, and salt to like add flavor, and that was all that I used. And yeah,
Turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna let it out. Tonight, we gonna
So the next time nili record was on Thursday, I mean. So I was making chapatis. As I told you, nilikuwa narudi kwangu. So this was the day. So I was making soft layered chapatis, and that's all I made. Then we went for shopping later on. My shopping, that is, now this time, because ile ingine tulikuwa tumeenda ni ya home. So yeah, I went for shopping, and then I did a shopping haul for Israel Sukombele, and yeah, that was it. Like, if you want recipe for soft layered chapatis, I will link the video that I did a video on how to make soft layered chapatis, so I will like link it, and I'll leave the link on the description box, and you can watch it if you want to know to learn how to like make soft layered chapatis. Then yeah.
You could be my one and only. I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly. I'll show you how it's done. I ain't never seen your type before. How'd you end up with a guy like that? Spread your wings and I'll make you soar. Take my hand, girl, don't look back. Cause when I'm not with you, Los feels lonely. Girl, I go so deep, from the back slowly. But it's probably better off if we stay homies. Hit the strip club, girls get big tips from me. When I do this show, shit, I know you're missing me. When I get back, buy you diamonds from Tiffany's. Relax, girl, and you might just get a kiss from me. Like this, like that, white dude, white hat. Yeah, I gotta do this show, but I could take a flight back. Yeah, I swear to God, girl, I will be right back. Got cheese, my strap, my chain, I match. Who have you doing stuff that you dream about? You're all I think about. Bathroom, steam it out. Spend $2,000 every bar I'm in. Hit the Ritz-Carlton, champagne gargling. You could be my one and only. I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly. I'll show you how it's done. Like this, like that, like this, like that. Girl, it's only one kiss. Relax, I know.
So after making the chapels, I took a shower and got ready to like head back kwangu, and yeah, that was all. Hi guys, I've not talked to you today. So today is on a Thursday. I'm going back to my place. Juu nilikuwa this camera ban. Camera, this phone. As I was saying, today is on a Thursday. The last time we talked was yesterday. We were going for grocery shopping na mom ya home ya kwao. Wow, yeah. So today is on the Thursday. I'm currently getting ready to go back to my place, to go back to school. Yeah, so nimemaliza my 1 week break. Nimekaa home for like 1 week. Yeah, so I'm from the shower. Niko confused, niko na haraka hadi nimeenda kuoga na bonnet. Venye imeraruka. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying, getting ready. So I'm going to show you my feet for the day. I'm going to be doing these black tights. It's kind of chilly huku, but sijui venye shule kunaka. And this black what? Head tie. Is it called a head tie or what? Nimesahau venye inaitwa. Hii ni ya kufunga kichwa because nywele yangu inahitaji retouch. Yeah, we'll be going to get a retouch soon. And also I'll be doing this brown crop tee. And because it's chilly, we'll do this trench coat. By now mnajua. Yeah, so that trench coat, that checked one, because kuna baridi. Yeah, I've already packed my bag, so I just want to get ready. So, lotion of the day, Zoe. Kama kawaida, lotion of the day ni Zoe. Velvet caramel scent. I'll be using Rexona Dio. And there anything else? No, nothing else. I'll just show you my perfume, but let me oil myself off camera. Then yeah, I'm back. So my god, I really need a recharge. Hello, cozy. So I'll be using this vitamin C serum for my face. For someone who is in a hurry, sikai niko na haraka. Sunscreen. Unafanya nini bado? Hadi sahi. Sana Kikuyu. Until you always apply sunscreen kwa masikio. Pia masikio inahitaji sunscreen. By the way, I've never done my eyebrows. So I'm thinking I twist them. I see what's gonna nitaka. Tuone venye itaka. My god, nakaa mama anaenda mahali. This is what a bad hair day looks like. Sikia kukata haka kanywele. Ama it again, it's lagging behind. But if it's okay, I'm really confused. Let's see. See all this growth. I really need retouch. But tomorrow is on Friday. I might go tomorrow to town to get it done. Tajua venye kutaenda. One side is bigger than the other. My god. Acha tujaribu ku I have a lesson on because nafaa kwenda kuchagua waru, potatoes. Mama ameacha ameniambia nichague waru. Sasa kujipaka uchafu. I also don't have the time to lay these edges, so we work with what we have. I don't know why I'm whispering, by the way. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's no option. Scent of the day. Guys, nimevunja perfume yangu. Literally, I don't know if you can see. But thankfully, ni top. The top imevunjika, not the perfume itself. Nimeshtuka. So, I'm doing Grwm perfume. What else? Earrings. Going to do these earrings. Just simple ones. Hina venye nachukia kwenda retouch because of the nini dryer. I really hate the dryer at the salon. It's really uncomfortable. I don't know if I wear this right now. I wait to wear it. I'm going to be doing flat shoes, and that's all I think. Yeah, that's all. I have my bags packed. Wacha sasa niende tafute hizo waru zenye nimeambiwa tafute na mom. Oh, I'm so clumsy. Anyway, guys. Tuende tutafute waru. My mom actually got me this towel and another peach one. It's in the hanging lines haijakauka because of this bipolar weather we have been having. It's raining, the other minute is sunny. So this one I want to beba shule. This blue one, imagine it was 1,500 for a dozen for 6 towels, and I would say the size is medium, and it was 1,500 at Kamkunji. I don't know the shop because ni mama alileta, but that is pretty affordable. Acha nikijua hiyo shop nitawa plug because niambia iko na kila kitu, anything you will want, but wanauza na wholesale, so huwezi nunua like one towel, so lazima ununue a whole dozen, and for anything else it applies. Yes, I'm going to do mascara. I should use the mirrors. No. Anyway, guys, we will talk. And yeah. So fast forward, here hapa nilikuwa nimefika super Naivas, so I was doing my grocery shopping, and yeah, so that's what's up.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do
Hi guys. So ndio nimefika kwangu. The last time I talked to you, I was getting ready to come back to my place. So ndio nimefika, it's around 5 p.m. and I want to do a shopping haul for you because nimebit. Want to do a shopping haul for you. Then I cleaned the house because it's been a week, so the house is dusty. And then I'm going to like take a shower after that, and yeah, nijua napika nini sapa. But I have chapos because I had made chapos. Mbona hapo mbele I had made chapos, so maybe I will chemsha dengu. Nitachemsha dengu, ni mix to ya dengu, then I will have that with chapo. Yeah, so that's what's up. Lakini nimebit. Kuko na jua, my god. Hey, it's really hot and it was just raining like 2 days ago. What's not happening? Someone explain this to me. Anyway, yeah, let's get into the shopping haul. Alafu, tomorrow, I think nitaenda tao and I'll take you guys because I know if I'll take you guys with me because I'm going to get my hair done. Maybe my nails. Nipata place pa kufanywa nails because I want overlay nails. Pata place poa tao because siku hizi tao sijui ndani hizo salons. They do your nails and after like a few days zimeharibika. Yeah, so if I find a nice place to like do my nails, I will go. But for my hair, I don't even know where I'm going to get my hair done. I need retouch nani styliwe. So I will find a place, such and how the day will go. Yeah, and a few things nimesahau kununua. I will grab them tomorrow. Yeah, so nimewapa itinerary yangu ya kesho na bado leo haijaisha. But yeah, that's what's up. So tufanye hiyo shopping haul, lakini kwa slow tufanye hiyo shopping haul. And this is what approximately 6,000 Kenyan shillings can get you in a Kenyan supermarket. And grocery. Oh, na soko pia. Na soko pia. So tuseme approximately 7,000 Kenyan shillings. Juu ya pia soko. Yeah. So whatever I'm going to show you, iko kwa hiyo price range. But anyway, yeah. So we have milk, 12 packets of milk. This is taisha within like 1.5 weeks. I wanted to try this digestive cookies. Nimeisha kubuy za what? Vanilla cookies. The last time I went to Naivas, I bought expired cookies. So this time I was checking at the nilikuwa naangalia expiry date. Anyway, I got Rebecca muffins. Kama you're not new here, you know it's a must. We get that. I also got Rico wet and dry, spice dry, wet and dry. That. Anyway, I also got salt. Tell me why overpriced salt. When we went 1 kg salt ni 1 something and it's 35 bob. Me last akili yangu ilikuwa wapi nikiandika shopping list. Anyway, I got 2 Del Monte juices. This one is in apple flavor. This one is mixed berries. Nilikosa mango. Napenda mango sana. I also got this dairy fresh milk in the bubble gum flavor, 2 of them. I also got it in the strawberry flavor. I got Indomil 5-pack one. I also got Rico cubes and I also got strawberry jam. I also got Blue Band. It's just the essentials. I also got 2 liters of avena oil. I also got Sunrise pishori rice 2 kg, ilikuwa na offer. Here I also got sugar 2 kg ya Cabras. Hizi ni dengu. I was going for 181 kg I think. Anyway, haziendi na mtaratara. Nataka kumalizia na hizi but anyway ni sawa. Hizi ni what? Onions. It was 110 bob. Julai kwa siku ya soko. Yeah, so these are arrowroot. In fact, I'm supposed to boil them. Ndio zisiharibike. How long do arrowroots like take to like nini kuharibika? After how long? Nitasijajua na sijauliza mama. Yeah, so hizi ni mama ni za kutoka home. Mama ni alinitafutia kutoka kwa shamba I think. So all purpose flour X 2 kg. Then we have 2 kg maize meal za soko mbili. And on this side we have coconut oil ya nywele. We also have Colgate toothbrushes mbili. I added pegs, just kuna pegs by the way. I don't know why. I also have a Rexona Dio, the small one, in the powder dry scent. I also have this one, the big one. Yeah, so I have 2. Styling gel, nice and lovely. I have 2 mole peg pads. Also, close up toothpaste. Yeah, value pack. Then I have petroleum jelly, the Vaseline one. I also got Amara in the body milk scent because wanataka kurudia the other one, the shea butter one. Let me just use this one. Amara never sawa kwa na nini tuaje sense variety, so niliopt kuchukua hii but haikunifurahisha sana, but that was what comes second to shea butter. I also got Hobie shower gel, the fresh in the gel hiyo jina, that scent. I got Ushindi dishwashing soap, got 10 rolls of tissue, got Toss Omo in the lavender scent, and I got So Soft. This one really smells nice. Tumia alafu kuna nyanya hapa. And yeah, that was it for my, as I was saying, that was it for my grocery shopping this month. Yeah, so guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow. For now, wacha nifanye usafi, then I cook dinner, then I shower. So I'll talk to you tomorrow guys. But anyway, I hope you subscribe so far. Kama umefika hapa, I hope you subscribe. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you. I have waru hapa. Iko na waru like 2 kasukus. Mom ame harvest waru, so hizi nilitoa home. So yeah, nilikuwa nimesahau kuonyesha hizo. So yeah. So this is later on. I had arranged everything respectively pale inafaa kwa. And yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I would really appreciate that, and I will see you in my next video. And yeah.